Today we talk about how can you add matched words and tags on your Bluesky app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on moderation here, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on matched words and tags. Then here enter a word or tag here. You select here duration and here matching. So you select it. So then here options and you just click here on add. So then it's going to add with you. So that's all. In here can you find your matched words you have before. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.